Hey everybody, Clay Archer, CEO DPC Technology. Today I want to talk a little bit about COVID-19 and how to use Enlive Dental to perform a paperless, touchless patient intake. To say the year 2020 has been interesting would be an understatement. Due to COVID-19, most dental practices have faced shutting down for a period and have had to change many of their policies and procedures around patient care. Although it has been a trying time, there have been opportunities to strengthen processes and improve our ability to give care in a safe environment. Dentistry is one of the sectors in healthcare that has been confronted with the issue of being a direct risk for the coronavirus because dentistry is still dependent on in-person visits. Dental staff and dentists still need to practice social distancing in order to reduce contact. Because dental practices require face-to-face interaction with their patients, offices are still seeking other ways to safely maintain sterile environment while also practicing patient intake. Currently, patient intake requires dental staff to hand patients clipboards, forms, and pens, which poses a risk of both airborne and physical contact transmission. In order to reduce the risk of contracting the coronavirus, completing the forms will need to take place away from the office, or at least at a safe distance from dental staff. The demand for a touchless patient intake process grows tremendously as COVID-19 persists. Enlive offers mobile and web forms for creating a safe yet productive environment for dental practices who need to see patients and want to maintain social distancing. Enlive's mobile and web forms allow dental practices to text and email forms to individual patients, set a due date for those forms sent, organize and upload new COVID-19 screening forms while also tracking the forms being sent out, add forms to your website through direct page URL, build responsive and customizable forms, and lastly, import all of these forms back into your practice management software. Enlive's mobile and web forms integrate with Dentrix, Dentrix Enterprise, EagleSoft, Open Dental, Practice Web, and many more. Not only does Enlive have mobile and web forms, it also has paperless solutions for the regular in-office intake procedures. Enlive's paperless solutions provide the best answer to the pandemic's effect on patient intake for healthcare providers. For more information about mobile and web forms, give us a call at the number below or visit us at our website. If you found this video valuable, please smash the like and subscribe buttons and click the little bell icon to be notified when we make future videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please make sure you leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.